Good afternoon, and it's a Sunday afternoon. Weather's not too bad, and I'm in the shed. And I thought I'd do what I'll possibly consider an upgrade, is bar risers. I do find I'm just, especially around town where you haven't got the airflow holding you up, just feel as though I'm canted forward just a bit too much. So I've decided to fit bar risers. These were about 20 quid off of eBay. Come with obviously the two riser bits. They're 20mm risers and longer bolts. Already I've undone the cable tidy bracket here, which is an 8mm bolt. Dropped that out and pulled the clutch cable out of it, because I think out of all of them, the rest seem to have enough room to maneuver, he says. So I've just moved the clutch cable outside the bracket, which means it's got much more flexibility when it comes up, in theory. So take the plastic caps off. Like that. Suitable Allen key. Looks about that big. Oh, miles out. It's got to be that one then. Yep. It's just whether that will give me 20mm. Which way are these going? In that way, because they're shaped. So there's a particular way. Let's go with this one first. Slip that in underneath. That's what she said. Like that. Looks somewhere near. And then one should just slide in under there. Alright, fresh bolts. Different colour black. It's more of a shiny gloss black than the, I don't know what you call what's actually on there. A different type of black. Alright, let's get that angle of the dangle right. Nothing coming and hitting the tank, nothing hitting the screen. So just tighten them down. I think that should be somewhere good. There you go. One set of bar risers fitted. Test ride to come. As I say, it's 20mm. They are a gloss black, so it's very obvious that there's bar risers on there. But as I say, I just felt in traffic it was just canted forward just that little bit. And I wanted to sit up a bit more. So I've got bar risers. As I say, I will say bring that out. You can see the way that clutch cable is pulled away from this bracket. If it was coming up through this bracket still, that would be pulled really tight. Yeah, I've still got the amount of play needed at the end of the cable, so that's not getting wrenched on at all. But I do believe if it was through this bracket it would. And all the rest of the cables are pretty much what they were. Let's try it on lock to lock. Yeah, might be the throttle cables I've accidentally left out of the bracket, so I'll have to undo that and put them back in. But that's all good. Let me just start that, make sure that's not actually pulling on that. Yeah, I think I will just lead them throttle cables back through the bracket, because when it comes round here and then wants to go back, it's just pulling on there. It's not making it rev or anything, but it is just a bit tight. There you go. One set of bar risers fitted. Test ride to follow. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra.